How to upload audio in Roblox Mobile. So the very first thing you need to do is open up the Roblox app on your phone and then click on More in the bottom right-hand side. Now scroll down and click on Create from the list of options. You can then click on the navigation bar in the top left-hand side and click on Dashboard. Now scroll across on this right-hand navigation and select Development Items. You can then scroll across this bottom navigation and select Audio. Now this is where we can go and upload our audio. So I'm going to press Upload Asset. Now, one thing to note is that your audio can't be any more than 7 minutes. It also can't be any more than 20 megabytes in size, and you need to make sure it's one of these formats listed here. Now, we're just going to press the Upload button, and that should take you straight over to the Files app on your phone. Now, if it doesn't take you straight here, you can always click on Browse in the bottom right-hand side, and then just go and select the folder where you have your MP3 file saved. You can also try clicking on these 3 vertical dots, and sometimes you can use this method to head over to your files. So I'm going to select my MP3 file like so. You then need to go and give your MP3 file a name. You can also give this a description as well. And finally, select Upload. Now, once it's finished uploading, you can scroll down and you should see your audio file. Now, if you click on these 3 horizontal dots, you can then press Copy Asset ID. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.